Good afternoon, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well this afternoon. Buddy and I went up this morning to Cajon and we got you some really good video. We got manifest trains, port trains, some Autoracks, and some other stuff. So make sure you check all those out. We got about 6 of them we're going to be loading up today and this afternoon. So look for those. If you haven't subscribed yet, Buddy wants to know why. You got to get on that. Hey, we love you guys. Thanks for all your support. We will catch you on the next one. Take care. All right, we got some foreign power there. Main track number 1. I believe it's either 1 or 2. I should know that. You think with all this razor wire here I'd be at a state penitentiary, but I'm not. For some reason they put this razor wire up for about 400 yards and you can easily get around it on both sides. I'm not sure what the deal is. Looks like they put it up a long time ago. All right, nice port stack. Intermodal with international containers. Heading back towards the port area. These twin stacks, I like these big twin stacks with the big shoulders. Old school. So it's about 80 degrees now. It's pretty early in the morning. It's going to warm up today pretty good. So this is where we started yesterday. Same exact spot. Hope everybody's had a great weekend so far. We got 1 day left here in California. It's Sunday. Not sure if the Southwest Chief went by yet. Should have gone by a while ago, but it's always late. Got a freezer unit up there. Humming away. Pretty sure it's main track too. They got an extra side track over there on the right hand side. Buddy's in the car. I'm going to try to get him out a couple times today before it gets too hot. I brought plenty of cold water for him. Oh, we got mid-DPUs. We got a double lash up here, a monster train. Yeah, usually on a train like this, they'll put those DPUs right smack dab in the middle. About 180 cars on both sides. All right, we got some awesome. We got an H2. We got a Bonnet. And an H1. Awesome. H1. Bonnet, H2, and the regular livery up front. How cool is that? Well, it's got to be at least 7 engines, maybe 8. How many do we have up top? I'll have to go back and take a look. I can't remember. Now we're into domestics. As in companies owned by the United States or by people in the United States. Interstate commerce. Once they get towards the yard or wherever they're gonna be, they'll break this train in half. That way they can slip it in the yard easier. Or slip half of it in the yard and the other half keeps going, and you got a lot of options here. Beautiful train with all these blue Amazons on top, JBs on bottom, sprinkling of Schneiders in there. Glad I caught this train here and didn't have to turn around and get it further down the line. Barely got it. Walked right up when it was here. I angle up a little bit, so that's why you see some of the angles kind of funny sometimes. Yeah, a train like this, though, they usually put the DPUs right there in the middle. On a heavy manifest freight train, they usually put them about 2/3 back. Got a beautiful freight train behind us, tied down. I wish it would keep going. We had one yesterday that was awesome with GP60s and 38s and got bonnets in there, and man, it just was tied down all day long, never moved. No crew in it or anything. BNSF security was working the Cajon Pass up by Swarthout big time yesterday. I don't know what they were doing. They were inspecting trains. I don't know if they had a lead on somebody or somebody ran into the bushes, but they stayed around there, and they had a white pickup truck that was working with the BNSF black and white SUV. Otherwise, I wouldn't even known the other guy was undercover. Yeah, they checked out a complete intermodal like this, but it was heading eastbound up by Swarthout. It was tied down. And they gave the guy a clearance that it was clear, but they stayed around and they were looking in the bushes and hanging around the Swarthout crossing and up on Route 66 and moving all around, but watching that area right there. They saw me. They don't. I think they respect me and know who I am, and I sure respect them. I don't mess with them at all. Those guys are serious. They got enough on their hands without having to worry about guys like me being stupid like everybody was when the Santa Fe Heritage model came through. We should have had a whole bunch of people, police out here that day, just writing people tickets for running across tracks and being on property and blah, blah, blah. Not everybody. There's a lot of cool people, but there's some ego-tripping fools, I tell you what. They think they're going to get the Time Magazine shot of the year or something. You never hear of them, and you never will. All right, you guys. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. You'll find the link in any description. We have super thanks now and super chat and super something else. We really appreciate the contributions. Keep us going strong. Couldn't do it without you. You're a big part of it. If you can't do all that, you can always subscribe. There's a freight train I want to catch. Tied down with only one light on, so it might be empty. We had some awesome power in this train, so I know you're going to enjoy it. All right, we love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Watch a few more.